Hey, we are Group G. Our moon is Europa. Europa is the sixth moon from Jupiter, and is also the sixth larger moon. It is 4.5 billion years old but still looks good for its age. Europa is named after a woman in Greek mythology whom Zeus fell in love with, and promptly turned into a bull, kidnapped her and had sexy times. She became Queen of Crete later on. Europa is considered to be one of the few objects in our solar system where it may be possible to find life. Unfortunately, it can't sustain human life currently. If you go there, you will die. If the cold doesn't kill you, then the irradiated bitch monsters will. Just kidding, there are no bitch monsters, just normal radiation. Like Chernobyl but everywhere and times 10, which is caused by Jupiter's extremely strong magnetic field. Jupiter's field is 1,000,000 times more powerful than Earth's Van Allen belt, and is so powerful that even the probes we have sent near Jupiter have had to spend as little time as possible inside the belt so they wouldn't get fried. The only creature that would be able to survive on the surface are bears, because they can bear it. Just kidding. Not that kind of bear, it would die, but tardigrades, also known as sea bears. This small aquatic creature is thought to be able to live on Europa's surface. Europa's surface is constantly flexing due to tidal forces caused by tidal resonances with other moons. This is because Europa's orbit is elliptical like Earth's, and there are points where it is closer to Jupiter. The flexing would also cause Europa's possible interior ocean to heat up and could help support life. The original discoverer of Europa was Galileo, who found that Europa and its sister moons orbited Jupiter's fat ass instead of Earth, disproving the geocentric model. However, the church did not like this and he was accused of heresy before being locked in his house for the rest of his life. When Galileo discovered Europa, it was the first time anyone had seen another moon other than Earth's scrubby moon. Those at NASA believe that Europa can support life because the entire moon is covered in frozen water, making it a prime choice for colonization, and they are sending a mission soon to check if it has a global ocean beneath the ice. The European Space Agency is also planning to launch a mission in 2022 to search for life in 2030, but America, hell yeah? It has the smoothest surface in the solar system, but has some places that are called chaos terrain. These are broken blocky landscapes that are covered in a mysterious reddish material, which scientists believe are formed when the surface has collapsed above lens-shaped lakes that are beneath the ice. Europa has an iron-nickel core similar to Earth's. It is also considered to have the youngest surface in the solar system. This is because the surface is constantly changing. Just like how ice moves in icy regions of Earth, Europa's ice moves as well. Cryovolcanoes are thought to be at the depths of the moon's ocean and on the surface. These are volcanoes that shoot cryomagma into space, which starts out as a liquid before falling back to Europa as a solid. Cryomagma is made up of volatiles such as water, ammonia, and methane, instead of molten rock. Europa produces 10 times more oxygen than hydrogen, which is similar to Earth because the hydrogen can escape to space and oxygen cannot. This is due to Europa and Earth's abundance of water and ice. Did I mention that it may have a saltwater ocean? Europa also has tectonic activity much like Earth, except instead of continents made of stone floating on a sea of magma, it has ice continents floating on a sea of water. Scientists are speculating that it has a similar chemical balance to Earth. The only thing missing from Europa's balance is the lack of volcanic hydrothermal activity. Now our irradiated bitch monsters don't seem so far-fetched now, huh?